What if you could play all your favorite Android games officially on PC, with full support for mouse, keyboard, or even controller, without any sketchy emulators, lag, or even malware? This is where Google Play Games on PC comes into play. It's the official way to play mobile games at up to 120 FPS and even 4K resolution. Be sure to stick around until the end, because I'll show you how to play multiple games at once and even the same game with multiple accounts. Alright, let's get things going. Head to play.google.com/googleplaygames, hit download, install it, and then run the Google Play Games application. Once it's open, sign in with your Google account. You can use the same account as your phone that syncs your progress, achievements, and even your in-game purchases automatically. Now, a quick myth-bust time, because I know someone is already typing in the comments. Bro, isn't that just another emulator? And no, Google Play Games on PC is not an emulator. Emulators like BlueStacks or Nox basically pretend to be an Android phone inside your PC. They virtualize the hardware, which means more resources, more lag, and more crashes. But Google Play Games is a native Android runtime built by Google. It runs selected games directly on Windows, which is fast, secure, and fully synced with your Google account. So yeah, it's not an emulator. It's real Android, officially on PC. To install a game, go to the Explore tab, pick one from over 200,000 supported titles, and hit Install. That installs the game for your currently signed in account. You will find all your installed and previously played games under the Library tab. To run a game, just select it and click Play. And here's where it gets fun. Every game opens in its own window. So if you want to play multiple games at once, just switch back to Google Play Games, pick another title, and hit Play. Now here's the exciting part. Google Play Games also supports multi-instancing, which basically means you can play the same game with different accounts at the same time. To do that, click your profile picture in Google Play Games, switch to another Google account, either add a new one or select the saved account, find the game you want, and hit Play. And don't worry, if the game isn't in your library, you don't need to reinstall it. Just search for it in the Explore tab, hit Play, and Google Play Games recognizes that it's already installed and adds it automatically for your new account. And that's it! You're now officially playing Android games on your PC with no emulator needed and 100% Google approved. So drop your favorite Android game into the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe if you're tired of Android emulators that run like a toaster.